parts of Delhi witnessed the first among a series of planned cloud seeding trials, a scientific attempt to create artificial rain in one of the world's most polluted capitals. On Tuesday, a Cessna aircraft operated jointly by IIT Kanpur and the Delhi government took off from Kanpur, releasing 8 fire flares containing compounds like silver iodide and sodium chloride over areas including Buradi, North Karol Bagh and Mayur Vihar. The goal? To trigger rainfall within a few hours, a process scientists call cloud seeding.
आज दूसरी ट्रायल क्लाउड सीडिंग की दिल्ली में की गई। ये क्लाउड सीडिंग सेस्ना एयरक्राफ्ट के माध्यम से आईआईटी कानपुर ने की। एयरक्राफ्ट मेरठ के तरफ से दिल्ली में एंटर किया, जिसमें खेखरा, बुरारी, नॉर्थ करोल बाग, मयूर विहार, सादकपुर और भोजपुर इस इलाकों के अंदर क्लाउड सीडिंग की गई। क्लाउड सीडिंग में 8 फ्लेयर्स को यूज़ किया गया है। एक फ्लेयर लगभग 2 से 2.5 kg के आसपास है और एक फ्लेयर 2 से 2.5 मिनट तक ये चलती है। इस फ्लेयर से क्लाउड्स के अंदर जो उसके अंदर कंटेंट है उसको छोड़ा गया। उस मिक्सचर से क्लाउड्स की जो अभी जानकारी आईआईटी कानपुर ने दी है वो 15 से 20% उसके अंदर ह्यूमिडिटी थी और ये तकरीबन प्रोसेस 1.5 घंटे के आसपास चला और इस दौरान एक फ्लेयर जो है वो 2 से 2.5 मिनट चला और 8 फ्लेयर ये टोटल चलाए गए हैं। तो 17-18 मिनट तक तो ये फ्लेयर छोड़े गए और दिल्ली के तक पहुंचने से कानपुर में 1.5 घंटे के आसपास इस प्रोसेस को लगा।
So what exactly is cloud seeding? It's a weather modification technique that involves dispersing tiny particles, usually silver iodide, potassium iodide or sodium chloride, into the clouds to encourage condensation and precipitation. In simpler terms, it could give clouds the quote-unquote nudge they need to produce rain. The idea isn't new. The first successful cloud seeding experiment was carried out in 1946 by American chemist Vincent Schaefer, working with General Electric. Since then, countries like China, the United States, and the United Arab Emirates have used it to increase rainfall, reduce drought impact, and even clear smog before major events. In India, experiments with cloud seeding began in the 1980s, led by the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology in Pune. States like Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh have all tried it over the years, mostly to bring relief during poor monsoon years. Delhi's attempt, however, has a different motivation: air pollution. Each winter, the city's air quality dips to hazardous levels, trapping smoke and dust under a layer of fog. Artificial rain, officials believe, could help wash away these pollutants and bring temporary relief. But the process isn't simple. Last week's test flight over Buradi could not induce rain because the atmospheric moisture was less than 20%, far below the 50% needed for successful seeding. This time, conditions were more favorable. According to IIT Kanpur, rain could occur anywhere between 15 minutes and 4 hours after the operation. 9 to 10 such trials are planned over the next few days. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation or DGCA has already cleared the project, which costs around 3.21 crore rupees and involves approvals from more than 10 central and state agencies. If the trials succeed, Delhi could become the first Indian city to systematically deploy cloud seeding to combat pollution, a technological bet against a man-made crisis in the skies. That's all for now. For more such videos, please subscribe to The Hindu. If you have any feedback or suggestions for us, do reach out to us at videos@thehindu.co.in. Thank you.